Hey everyone, want to write product description that actually sell? In this video, I'll show you how to use Anyword to create e-commerce copy step by step. Let's get started. First, search for anyword.com and log in. Then here, click the plus create content button and describe the content that you want to create. This works for ads, product listings, or social captions. Then here, write your example prompt. Write a catchy product description for a wireless Bluetooth speaker with deep bass or long battery and waterproof design. This is my sample prompt. Then select the type of content that you want, like ads, description, or landing page text. Then here, just click Next and click Generate, and Anyword will give you multiple AI written options and outlines. Choose the best one and tweak it for fun, professional, and luxury style. And that's it. You've got sales ready copy for your online store in seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.